Hello, and welcome to The Learning Ascent. I'm Natalie, and with me is Michael. We're really happy you're here today. Whether you're listening in your car, on a walk, or just relaxing at home, thank you for making us part of your English journey.
That's right. Every week on this channel, we help English learners like you become more confident, natural, and fluent. We slow things down, explain everything clearly, and give you real-life tips you can actually use.
And today's episode is extra special. We're going to talk about something that almost every English learner struggles with: how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English.
Yes, this is a question we get all the time. Learners say, I know vocabulary, I know grammar, but when I try to speak, my brain freezes. Why? Because they're translating every single word.
And if that's you, don't worry. You're not alone. It's completely normal. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to think in English. And once you do that, speaking becomes faster, smoother, and much more natural.
So, in this podcast, we'll explain why your brain translates, why it feels slow, and most importantly, we'll give you a step-by-step plan with practical exercises to start thinking in English today.
And make sure you stay with us until the end, because we'll share a simple daily routine, a 4-step system that only takes a few minutes a day, but can completely transform your English.
Let's start with the problem. Why does translating make speaking so difficult? Imagine this. Someone asks you, "Hey, what did you do yesterday?" Your brain immediately goes to your first language. I need to say, "Yesterday, I went to the park."
And by the time you finish translating, the other person is already waiting, or worse, they've moved on to another topic.
Translation adds delay, stress, and mistakes, because languages don't match word for word.
For example, maybe in your language you say, "It makes cold," but in English we say, "It's cold." If you translate word by word, it sounds strange. That's why our goal is this: look at something and connect it straight to English.
Now, let's be clear. If you're translating, it doesn't mean you're a bad learner. It's just how the brain works at the beginning.
Yes, think of your first language as a bridge. In the beginning, that bridge helps you cross into English. But after some time, you don't need the bridge anymore. You can walk directly on English.
So, if you still translate, don't feel guilty. It just means you're ready for the next stage.
Okay, now let's get practical. Here are 5 simple but powerful tips to stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Wherever you are, just look around and describe what you see in English.
For example, I see a tree. The car is red. I'm opening the fridge. I'm making tea.
Short, simple sentences. That's enough. What you're doing is training your brain to create English thoughts directly.
In the morning, think about your plans. Today I will study. I'll meet my friend. I'll cook dinner.
And in the evening, review your day. I went shopping. I watched a movie. I studied English.
This works so well because you're talking about your life. That makes it meaningful and easier to remember.
When you see an object, don't translate. Just connect it directly with English. Chair, spoon, phone, bus.
The more you do it, the faster your brain will skip translation and go straight to English.
This one is my favorite. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately.
If you hear, "I'm going to the store," you repeat, "I'm going to the store." No pause, no translation.
It feels hard at first. But if you do it just 5 minutes a day, your fluency will grow faster than you expect.
Turn small moments into English practice. Cooking? Think, I'm boiling water. I'm chopping onions.
Walking? Think, the dog is barking. The bus is coming. The sky is cloudy.
These little sentences are like exercise for your English brain. Step by step, thought by thought, you're building fluency.
Here's your simple 4-step routine. Morning. Think about your day in English. During the day, describe what you see. Practice. Shadow for 5 minutes. Evening. Review your day in English.
4 steps. That's it. If you do this every day, you'll notice a difference in just 1 week. And in 1 month, you'll be amazed at how fast your brain switches to English.
Remember, thinking in English is like going to the gym. At first, you lift small weights. Over time, you get stronger.
Yes, even if only 10% of your thoughts are in English, that's progress. Then it becomes 30%, then 50%. And one day, you'll suddenly realize you're thinking in English without even trying.
That's the moment we want for you. Automatic, natural English.
Okay, friends, that's the end of today's episode. We really hope these tips help you stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
And remember, be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the process. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the Learning Ascent so you never miss an episode. If you found today's podcast helpful, please like this video and share it with a friend.
And leave us a comment. Tell us which tip you'll try first. We love hearing from you, and your words help other learners too.
Thanks again for being with us. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, you're already making progress. Together, bye for now.